Hey family, welcome. It's Cintish Lee, a space for solving beauty problems. We're doing an hygiene related video today. We're gonna be removing underarm hair growth. Keep on walking straight. But I discovered this online, bought this product online that says that it can literally remove your underarm hair or any type of hair, pubic hair. It can remove it, any type of hair, in just 8 minutes. I usually do waxing, so when I came across this, I was like, okay, like I want to try it. Of course I want to try it. So I'm gonna be showing you. So I have two products today. There's a spray and there's a cream. To be honest, I've already used cream. I used the cream before I went for my birthday trip, vacation, staycation and stuff. I used the cream. I was in a hurry. I went ahead and I used it real big. So after that, when I come back, I'm gonna do like a proper sit down video. Here we are today. I've not used this spray yet, but I'm so excited to use this spray. I want to see how that's gonna work out. These are the two products that I have to try on today. I have the 8 minutes hair removal cream and I also have the 8-minute hair spray. So this is the cream that I said I use. It's a very small size grams, and I think this one is also 30 ml. So they are very small products to try on. I've used this one already. Before I do any type of hair removal, you want to exfoliate the skin area. You want to exfoliate the area where you want to shave or wax or the hair. I didn't usually do this in the past. I look kind of orangey or shady, whatever. Let me know in the comment area if this lighting it's okay. I'm just trying to sort out my lighting. That's one thing that I need to sort out for me right now. My lighting, I was counting on my ring light and the natural light, but it's kind of looking dark right now. So right now my ring light is keeping me going and the light in the lens is keeping me going. But yeah, okay, so I'm going to exfoliate, and for exfoliating I have my spin brush right here. That's what I'm going to be using. You can clearly see I'm not in my bag, so it's gonna be a little bit tough, but I just wanted to sit down and just explain to you properly, show you guys properly. I have my spin brush and I have my La Roche-Posay face wash cleanser that I use for my face. I'm gonna use that for my underarms today. This is how they are looking. I left the hair to grow a good 2 weeks to 3 weeks. I left the hair grow. Okay, so I'm just adding that, and all I'm doing is just to kind of get rid of any sweating, dirt, sweating that clogged your pores. Then when you wax and the hair is trying to grow back, because of all the pores, it will start leaving you ingrown hair and all this bump in your underarms. Every time I wax, I do get underarms, but I did a bit of research and it was recommended to exfoliate area before you do any waxing or shaving. So I have batteries in this, but it seems to be quite slow. I will do the same thing on my other underarm. The way I'm gonna do it, only because I have two products to try on and I want to save time and everything, and then we want to see together which one is gonna work faster. So the best thing for me to do is to apply cream in one underarm. So I'm gonna apply the cream in my right underarm. Okay, so that's all you need. It is now 17:44. It's now 17:44 that I've applied the cream. I'm going to spray this. So it says shake well before using the product. Make sure to fully cover the desired area. So you have to shake first. That's the very first thing you need to do. Make sure you shave the product and then you want to cover the area fully. So okay, so all right, so yeah, that's how it looks. It's quite like liquidy foam. Let me see if it feels like oil. It doesn't feel like oil. It just feels it's a bit slippery. It's gluey, it's slippery kind of thing. So now we have this one on, and I think, is it turning white? Yeah, it looks like where the hair is, like the hair is holding on to the product, so that area is white. It's turned white, and now it is okay. Do you shave, do you remove the hair going up or like going down? Okay, so I can literally see like the hair is coming off. I don't know if it's everything, but I can see the hair coming off. And this is what we have in just 8 minutes. This is amazing that we get this much hair removal in just 8 minutes. This is gonna be a time saver for days where you're in a complete hurry and you just want to get rid of that gross hair. Okay, so I'm gonna use a paper towel right here to wipe off the stick spray of the product again. Okay, so this is what we have. Now, wow, this side looks even more processed. Like the hair has completely softened and has curled up. I 100% know that this side has worked. So I do it this way because I don't know exactly, and it's coming off effortlessly. Wow, this is great. You can see. Can see the hair is off already. I mean, oh, okay. So at this stage, I wet my rug. I've wet this piece, this towel, and I'm just using that to wipe the area. So we've did it, guys. It works. We've did it, family. It worked. Which one did you prefer? Which one do you think came off faster? I actually prefer this spray. I feel like this spray is a keeper. Alright, family, so this is a hair growth inhibitor cream. I'm just gonna read what it says, how we should use them. So it says, remove hair, apply Paisley hair growth inhibitor essence, continue applying once a day. Okay, so he wants me to apply this serum as a normal rule of thumb. I'm gonna go apply the serum, then I'll apply the cream. So this is how it is. It has like a syringe for you to kind of pick. So yeah, just rub the serum. You would need to apply this daily for this to work. It will prevent the hair from growing. If this works, this would be like a very cheap alternative for laser hair removal, or while you're saving up your coins to get your laser hair, or while you're saving up your coins to get your hair laser removed. This could be something you could be trying at home. So I have to use this daily for maybe a week or two for me to really notice that my hair has reduced the growing, because normally, and then the cream, we just spray that into my arm, spray that, and then just apply that also. This is really taking care of your underarms, like having a whole underarm routine. This is what it looks like, and I'm so excited to add this regimen to my hygiene routine, because I feel like it will make my underarms feel, smell, and look different, a whole lot different and better. Okay, sorry about the floppy arms. I'm currently exercising. I do exercise every day, and I'm just trying to get rid of the floppy arms. But yeah, I'm so happy for this product. I'm so happy.